What's up guys? In today's video we are going to be taking you guys through 7 different leaves that is very high in crude protein that you can feed your rabbit to make your rabbits grow very big and very fast. So without wasting much time, we are going to start. First of all, we are going to start from those ones that have lower crude protein to the ones that have higher crude protein. So stick to the end of this video so you won't miss out on any updates. So first of all, the one I want to be talking about that is on the screen here is called Timothy grass. Timothy grass is very good for rabbits. When it comes to rabbit farming, Timothy grass is also a very good grass for rabbits. Timothy grass contains 13.8% crude protein and can be fed to your rabbits, whether fresh, as you are seeing on the screen, fresh greens, or in a hay form. That's when it's being dry. Why it's being fed in a hay form is so that when your rabbits eat it as this hay, they drink a lot of water, so it helps them to also grow very big and very fast. So if you use Timothy grass, you will see a very good result in your farm. So the next leaf you are seeing on the screen here is called the alfalfa grass. It's called the alfalfa grass. The alfalfa grass is also a very good grass when it comes to rabbit farming. It's also one of the most used grass in rabbit farming, but here in the west we can't really get alfalfa grass very easily. It's not really common here in the west, so that's one of the reasons why we don't really use alfalfa grass here. Alfalfa grass contains 12 to 15% crude protein and can be served to your rabbits wet, like green or in hay form. So one of the reasons why people feed their rabbits hay is because hay does not carry all these insects that comes with the fresh grasses. You know, sometimes what makes rabbits sick is due to what they eat. So if you are able to control what they eat, they won't really get sick very easily. So that's why most people prefer feeding their rabbits alfalfa grass in the hay form, and also it helps the rabbit drink a lot of water and grow bigger. So the next leaf here on our list is the mango leaf. This one here is very common when it comes to Nigeria and Africa as a whole. The mango leaf is a very good leaf also when it comes to rabbit farming. This particular one, a friend told me about this particular one. Shout out to you, Chris. Mango leaf contains 18.59% crude protein and can be fed to your rabbit wet or dry. As you guys know, mango leaf most times carries all these whitish substance, and if you feed it to your rabbit like that, it might cause harm to them. So sometimes I prefer you washing the leaf, or you dry the leaf and feed it to them dry. It can also help them grow very big, because the mango leaf contains a lot of crude protein that can help enhance and boost your rabbit growth, and you will get very good weight from your rabbit within a short period of time. So try feeding your rabbit mango leaf and you will see a very good difference. The next leaf on our list here is the maize leaf. Maize leaf here in Nigeria grows within the period of is planted within the period of from February to late June, July. Yes, you can get the maize leaves here for free. There might be people harvesting it around your area, even outside Africa as a whole. There might be people harvesting it around. All you just need to do is just go there and pick them up. These leaves are not being sold. All you just need, go there, pick them up within this period where you can find this leaf, because corn leaf, unlike other plants, you can't get it always. So you just need to go and pick it up that period of time where you can find it and feed it to your rabbits. The maize leaf contains about 19.4% crude protein, and that's very high. So if you feed it to your rabbit within that period, they will gain a lot of weight. And just try feeding your rabbit maize leaf and you will see a very good difference. The maize leaf here is also very good when it comes to feeding it to your rabbit fresh. I prefer feeding maize leaf or corn leaf to my rabbit fresh than drying it. So just try feeding it to your rabbit fresh and you will see a very good result. The next leaf on our list is the moringa. The moringa is among one of the most used leaf when it comes to rabbit farming. A lot of people use it to enhance growth when it comes to rabbit farming. They use it to boost breast milk for the does, that's the female rabbits. Moringa leaf works a lot when it comes to rabbit farming. This moringa leaf can help you enhance the growth of your rabbit. Moringa leaf contains 22.99 to 29.36% crude protein, which can help you boost your rabbit's growth within 4 months you can get about 2.5 to 3 kg of rabbits when you feed your rabbits moringa leaf. Moringa leaf can also be served to rabbits in powdered form, as you can see on the screen. You can mix the dried powdered moringa leaf to your rabbit feed and feed it to them, and you will see very good result. Moringa leaf also can be fed to your rabbit fresh, as you saw in the first picture there, as a green. Can be fed to your rabbit fresh, and it also works perfectly. The next leaf on our list here is the pumpkin leaf. This particular one, I just found out how good it was in my previous research I was doing. So the pumpkin leaves is a very good leaf for rabbits. If you feed it to your rabbit, both the sticks, the leaves, the rabbits eat everything very well. This pumpkin leaf contains 24.39% crude protein and can be fed to your rabbits, preferably fresh. Pumpkin leaves, I don't feed it to my rabbit dried, but you can feed it to your rabbit dried. It depends on how you want to do it, but I can share my own way of feeding pumpkin leaves to my rabbit, which is I feed it to them fresh. Pumpkin leaves can be found both in Nigeria and I think all over the world. So pumpkin leaf is also a very good leaf for rabbits. Pumpkin leaf can also help you boost your rabbit growth. So for those of you guys that are looking for ways to cut cost on feeding for your rabbit, you can try using pumpkin leaves and some of the leaves I've mentioned here to feed your rabbit. So just watch out for the last leaf on our list. So the last leaf on our list here is the bitter leaf. I know a lot of you will be shocked hearing that the bitter leaf is the last leaf on our list, having the highest percent crude protein here. I was surprised as well when I found this out. So the bitter leaf is also very good leaf for rabbits. Bitter leaf can be used to cure or control diarrhea when it comes to rabbit farming. Bitter leaf can be used as antibiotics, as oral antibiotics. Like when you are going organic for rabbit farming, bitter leaf can be used for antibiotics. So bitter leaf also can be used for giving maybe if your rabbit has any form of wound, like you want to dry the wound up for the rabbit, yes, you can give it bitter leaf. It also works that. Bitter leaf here contains about 33.3% crude protein and is very high in crude protein, as you guys can see. So bitter leaf should also be considered as one of the leaves you should be giving your rabbit to gain a lot of weight. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Please, if you did find this video helpful, please don't forget to give us a like on this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so that when we post a nice video on rabbit farming, an educative video on rabbit farming, you will get notified. On this our channel, we teach about rabbit farming, poultry farming, turkey farming, fish farming, pig farming, and all others. So consider subscribing, like, turn on the notification bell, and do have a nice day.